This is the pH scale we looked at in the first part of the video. The acidic nature increases as we move towards left side and the basic nature increases as we move towards right side. Higher the concentration of H plus ions, lower will be the pH, and lower concentration of H plus ions will employ higher pH value. The pH scale basically tells us the strength of an acid or a base. The P in pH stands for potens, which means power or potential in German. We can understand the power of H plus ions. More the number of H plus ions, more acidic it will be. Usually this paper is called universal indicator. It is used to measure pH. Before we understand what universal indicator is, we need to have a basic idea of what indicators are. Substances which shows the acidic or basic behavior of other substances by changing in some way are known as indicators. These are some of the common types of indicators. As the name suggests, indicators obtained from natural sources are called natural indicators. Litmus and turmeric are examples of natural indicators. Litmus is obtained from lichens. If you remember, an acid turn blue litmus paper red and base turn red litmus paper blue. Substances which change their smell when mixed with acid or base are referred to as an olfactory indicators. Onions and vanilla are examples of olfactory indicators. Paste or juice of onion loses its smell when added with base. It doesn't change its smell with an acid. And the smell of vanilla vanishes with the base, but its smell doesn't vanish with an acid. Do you know where they are used? They are used to ensure the participation of visually impaired students in the laboratory. Interesting, isn't it? What are synthetic indicators? Indicators that are synthesized in the laboratory are known as synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are two examples of synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein is a colorless liquid and remains colorless with an acid, but turn pink with a base. Methyl orange is originally orange in color and turns red with acid and yellow with base. If you notice, the following indicators only tells us the acidic or basic character of a solution, but it doesn't tell us the strength of the acid or a base. That's what brings us the universal indicator. A universal indicator shows different color over the range of pH value from 1 to 14 for a given solution, and it is available in the form of strips well as solutions. This is color matching chart looks. pH value from 0 to 6 shows acidic nature and pH value from 8 to 14 shows basic behavior, and the pH of 7 shows purely neutral. Let's see what color some of the most common substances result in. Do you know the acid that form in our stomach? Yes, gastric acid. It has pH about 1.2, and that's tell us how acidic it is. Lemon juice has pH around 2.2 to 2.4. What about coffee? It has pH about 5. It's weakly acidic. Distilled water has pH 7, totally neutral. And human blood has pH about 7.3 to 7.5. Baking soda has pH around 8.3, which tells us that it's weakly alkali. Household ammonia has a pH around 12. Yes, very alkali. And sodium hydroxide solution has pH close to 14. Extremely basic. In the next video, we will learn the importance of pH in our everyday life. Thanks for watching the video.